online lender is exactly what it sounds like, a company that offers loans and other forms of financing options all through their website. Not all online lenders are the same, and each specializes in a different form of lending. The lending provided is usually in the form of lines of credit or cash advances, with some lenders offering fixed-term loans. There are many online lending platforms to choose from. A few include On Deck Capital, Kabbage, Lendio, Fundwell, The Lending Club, Funding Circle and Foundation, and Credibility Capital. Many businesses, including online retailers or a small business in the manufacturing, retail, or service industry that find it hard to get funding from banks, may choose an online lending platform. An online lender usually offers funding ranging from $5,000 to $250,000. An online lender's decision to fund a business is usually based on cash flow, inventory, and digital footprint, such as your social media presence and customer reviews, with less importance solely on business history or credit scores. Almost all online funders have their own proprietary software that automates lending decisions based on certain inputs. A funding decision is usually made quickly, and funds are dispersed within 2 to 3 business days. Funds are usually deposited directly into merchant or business bank accounts. Repayments are also typically automated, with direct ACH debits from a specified bank account. In the event of a business cash advance, the lender will take out a percentage of debit or credit card sales every day, often at a predetermined frequency, until the entire amount borrowed plus fees and charges are paid off. Interest rates charged by online vendors can vary from 7% to 75%, depending on the product and the lender, which is typically higher than what a traditional loan would normally cost. Despite higher interest rates, an online lender's quick cash may help your business expand or grow into new markets. Chris Byrne of Gear Geeks shares his experience with Kabbage.
I was on eBay one morning and I simply stared up and saw the banner ad for Kabbage. And what tagged me was just, instant cash for inventory in 7 minutes. I didn't even have an option to consider where I wanted to go with my growth until I was able to get funding from Kabbage. All of a sudden, we're diversifying. I found income streams that I didn't know were available to me by having the funding resource to be able to buy. Things come out of the woodwork. If I mention to somebody, well, I've got an extra $15K to buy anything else that you possibly might have in the future, keep me in mind. Sometimes that turns into a deal real time right there. And what's happening is we're immersing in the whole artist scene. And then I can be there, I can tell, and I can even, and it's in my account, right, PayPal. So this puts me being able to buy internationally or domestically across the nation, instantly. So if somebody calls me and says, well, I'm in New York, I've got this guitar, Chris, this happens all the time, just got a call this morning. I need the money, can you send this to me? Big band in New York? Sure. Click, Kabbage, click, he's paid, the guitar's on the way to me. So not only can I reach out here domestically in the Southern California basin, but I can reach across the nation and buy all over the place, instantly, with Kabbage.
With the advent of technology, online lenders are becoming more and more popular. So, do your research up front to make sure you are borrowing from a reputable company.